Hello everyone, welcome back to BPO interview tutorials, and today we came up with an interesting video that is on how to use Xmatch function in MS Excel with the help of VLOOKUP. So before moving to the video, I would request everyone to share, subscribe the channel, click on bell icon so that you will get notification on all the upcoming videos. Check out our playlist, you will find approximately 272 plus videos. Those will help you in cracking interviews related to Six Sigma certification, trainers, team leader, operation manager, quality analyst, MS Excel dashboard, reports, VLOOKUP, like Looker Studio. Many more videos are there, guys. So don't miss to watch out all the playlist. And let's start the today's video, that is on how to use Xmatch function with the MS Excel. So let's go with an example here so that you will understand the process very easily. Okay. So here what we have done is we have used two functions. One is Xmatch, you can see here on the top, and the second function what we have used, that is VLOOKUP function, guys. Okay, so let's try this, how this will work. So to understand the Xmatch function, basically you can see here it will work like in VLOOKUP only, wherein with the help of the name, like process name, we need the quality score for the respective month which we have added here. Okay, so let's start. Equal to Xmatch, it's loading, okay, equal to Xmatch, bracket open. First you have to choose the cells on the title of your main cells. Okay, let me choose all the three. Okay, it's done. Now let make it fixed. To use, we will use $sign to make it fixed. Okay, you can also use F4 or else Alt F4. You have to see the shortcut accordingly. Then comma, here you have to choose title from your main sheet. Okay, like from process to from April. Here also we will lock, we will use $sign, we will use $sign, we will use $sign and $sign, and the last we will use comma 0, which means we need an exact match here. So this is done. Let me drag this to everywhere. Okay, so let me copy and paste it here. So you can see here the difference. Jan, Feb, March. Jan is at second row, Feb is at third, March is at fourth. If I add APR here, I will get 5 year, which means a fifth row details here. So cell details we have added. Okay, now let me add the VLOOKUP so that we will get the exact value. To add the VLOOKUP, you have to add it in the starting. VLOOKUP, bracket open. Basic VLOOKUP formula, we have to choose the process name, comma, we have to choose the entire table from here, done, comma, there is an extra space, remove it. We have the array value already, so we will not add more array value. Then comma 0 comma 0 comma 0 and bracket closed. This is done. Now if I drag this formula to the next, it will not work. Reason, the cell details are getting changed, right? So what we have to do here is in the VLOOKUP itself, we have to fix it. We have to fix all the VLOOKUP formula also. So we have to fix only the B. Okay, don't fix the numbers because number might get vary as per the cell. So let's fix this. Enter, copy, drag it to the other place. Yes, it is working. You can see here Flipkart 92, 87, 90, 92, 90 for April, it is 100, it is showing 100. If I add Feb here, I'll get the Feb details, 87, right? So in this way we will use the Xmatch with the help of VLOOKUP. You can also change the title. On the basis of title you will get your details. So this is also a helpful function in order to get your details in a different way. So quite easy, guys. First what we have done, we have used the Xmatch function. We have chosen just our titles from C to E here. Okay, we will not choose process. We will fix it with the help of $, then comma, we will we will select all the titles from the raw data. Here it is B3 and F3. We have used $, comma 0, which will give us the exact value. We will use VLOOKUP. In VLOOKUP, we need a lookup value, which is Flipkart. We need a lookup name, which is Flipkart, comma. Then we will choose the entire data. We will fix all the details with the help of the $. In last we'll give comma 0 and enter. Just drag all the formula, we'll get all your answer. So in this way we will use Xmatch function with the VLOOKUP, or else we can use VLOOKUP with the help of Xmatch, and this will give an wonderful data in your analysis, guys. If you still have any doubt, let me know. I will definitely help you out, and don't miss to subscribe the channel. Check out our playlist, you will find many videos. Any doubt, please ping me in our chat section. Definitely I will try to help you out, guys. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.